All right, now we're at Trader Joe's. You ready to pick some good foods? You want cereal? Coda, what about you? You want some cereals? Ooh, can't wait. You ready? D.
Yes.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, we're about to make a quick shrimp dish. Should take no more than 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Alright, let me show you what everything you need. Trader Joe's shrimp comes frozen, so you put it in some cold water, let it unthaw a little bit. Rice, onion, garlic, a little bit of butter, avocado oil, or you can use whatever oil you want, basil, onion powder, oregano, thyme, cayenne pepper, Lawry's, salt, pepper. Okay, the rice, we have a rice maker. We can put a link below. You can get it from Amazon, and this little ninja chopper. Put that in a link below also, so you can get both of those from Amazon. Makes everything quicker, so you ain't got to cook it on the stove. First thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and put our rice on. And that's just putting it in the rice maker. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. What I forgot to say, which is key, is you need this taco seasoning mix from Trader Joe's also. This is key. You need this with the seasonings also. I'm gonna show you how I'll put it together. Okay, how to make the rice. The rice maker comes with this little cup, so you just put 2 cups, or how many cups, how many people you're feeding. 2 cups usually feeds 4. So 2 cups. And then what you want to do is you want to rinse this rice. So then what you want to do is you want to put the same amount of cups of water that you put in rice. So we do 2. Then we just take the lid off. Drop this in. Put the lid back on. Lock it. Make sure the steam thing back here is back. And then all you gotta do is click rice. And then the rice is started. And then that let us know when it's done. Alright. Next step is chopping up our garlic and our onion. The garlic is already, I buy these from Whole Foods, organic, already peeled garlic. Just go ahead and throw that in there. And then all we want to do is cut this onion up just a little bit to put into this chopper. Thanks, Coda. Throw these onions in there. Put that lid on there. Just like that. Okay, now we just want to chop this up. Put that on there just like that. And then go ahead, press it. Good job, good job. That's enough. Okay, now we got our garlic and our onion chopped up. Now let's put this all in a pot or a skillet. Now we got our avocado oil in there, and then we're gonna put our butter. Go ahead and let that all come together. As soon as that butter melts, we want to go ahead and add our onion and our garlic. Okay, now that we got our avocado oil, our butter, our garlic, and our onion all simmering in there, now what we want to do is we want to add our shrimp to this, and then we're going to season our shrimp with all these different seasonings. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add these shrimp to the skillet. Now we want to season this with all our seasonings. It's thyme, cayenne pepper, oregano, salt, seasoning salt, onion powder, basil, and then pepper. And we just want to cook this for about 5-10 minutes. What I do suggest is if you got kids and you're feeding this to kids, this stuff is pretty hot, so you might want to take them piece of shrimps out first before you add that seasoning, because it is spicy. So that's what I do. But this is like the fastest and most delicious meal you can get, all for like 10 bucks at Trader Joe's, something like that. See how that's looking real scrumptious. Looking good. You'll see that little the oil and the butter is gonna make like a little nice little, it's kind of like a Cajun sauce, but once you taste it, you'll understand what I mean. Okay, now the shrimp is cooked. You want to add our sauce, our seasoning packet from Trader Joe's. I'll just watch it. You just want to put this on low and let it simmer. Just let that simmer for a little bit. You see I put, Dakota doesn't really eat shrimp, but D does. So put them 3 to the side. I'm gonna cut it up real small, and he likes it that way. So, but that's pretty much about it. Pretty simple. Rice got 1 minute left, and then we ready to eat. And as you can see, the rice is done. Okay, now what we gotta do is we just gotta push this way, let the steam go. Once we let all that steam go, then we'll be able to open it. Voila, fresh rice. Pretty simple. Anybody can do this. As long as you got everything that I just showed you, you can easily do this 15-20 minutes. Probably didn't even take me 15 minutes, right? Because I've done it before, but as soon as you get used to it, quick, easy, quick meal. And I'm gonna show you the complete bowl of what we add to it to make it like a full bowl. But what I like to do is I like to add a little bit garlic salt to the rice. Gives a little, just makes it so much fire. I'll just stir that up. Alright, now let's make a bowl real quick. Okay, rice in the bowl. Make sure you get some of that sauce with it. You gotta get some sauce to put on there. Put that on there like that. And then add some cheese. Add a little bit of salsa. And then add some sour cream. Then boom, you're done. Quick, easy. Now let's do this taste test. You're crazy. What? Is it good? Okay.
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 That's good, huh? That's good. Kind of spicy, but that's good.
Spicy. A hat. It has a hat. A hat.
Hat?
Give me a hat.
You can't have my hat. You want my hat? No.
I want glasses.
You want glasses? Okay.
Hey, my glasses, burger. My glasses. Let me get my glasses. Trash can. Trash can. Open can. No. No.
Put in the bowl. Hey, give me the water.
You take it out. You take it off.
Yeah, I did.
The food is spicy.
Yeah, it is spicy. It was good though. Real good.
And eat it off.
Yeah, eat it all. What's it supposed to do?
No, it's in my bowl.
It's your bowl.